The other day, while I was working on the tree stands, this is a pin that holds this hook in. Without that hook, you've got nothing. When it comes from the factory, you see that's got one of them horseshoe clips? So somehow that thing got hit, bumped, whatever, and came off. Well, I was thinking I'd go get another one. And then this morning I'm down here working in the shop, and I said, I think the factory could have done a lot better than that. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to put that pin back in there and I'm going to weld it into place. Rather than mess around with finding another one of them horseshoe clips, which I probably could do easy enough, but I don't see why that thing has to be removable. I mean, this is only a $30 come along, so I don't see why that has to. And this is loose. I'm going to tack weld all that stuff, and then see what happens. The only problem I might have is maybe that's galvanized. I don't know. Seems to be taking a weld. Looks like it worked to me. I bet that won't come off now. Now I'm going to snug up that. You know, when stuff goes wrong out in the bush, it's a problem. I really needed that. I needed to find that pin down in the leaves. Luckily, I found it. Oh yeah, she won't come out now. while I'm at it, I'm going to check the other side out. So you got a couple there on that guy. So I'm going to tack those too.